Preparing for mock exams involves spending a lot of time sitting at a desk. However, prolonged sitting and studying can have negative effects on our bodies. Exercise plays a crucial role in enhancing concentration and keeping our bodies and minds healthy. In this post, we will examine the importance of exercise in boosting concentration for mock exams, and some stretching techniques that can be done at home. The importance of exercise. Exercise plays an important role in keeping our bodies and minds healthy. When we exercise, our bodies are better able to use oxygen and nutrients, and blood circulation improves. This enhances concentration and helps us perform better in learning. Additionally, exercise is effective in reducing stress. As mock exams preparation can cause a lot of stress, it is essential to reduce stress through exercise. Stretching techniques that can be done at home. Students can keep their bodies and minds healthy by performing simple stretches at home. Here are some simple stretching techniques. Arm and shoulder stretching. Arm and shoulder stretching are suitable for students who spend long hours sitting in front of a desk. To do this, first stretch your arms out and lean your torso forward. Then, use the other arm to pull the back of the stretched arm towards you. Hold this position for 10 seconds before repeating the same action with the opposite arm. Leg stretching. Leg stretching is suitable for students who sit all day. To do this, sit on the floor with your legs stretched out and slowly pull your toes towards you to stretch them. Hold this position for 10 seconds before relaxing, and then repeating the same action with the other leg. Waist stretching. Waist stretching is effective in relaxing the buttocks and waist muscles. To do this, sit on the floor with your legs stretched out and bend your right knee to place your left ankle over it. Slowly turn your torso to the left. Hold this position for 10 seconds before repeating the same action with the other side. Final thoughts. Keeping our bodies and minds healthy while preparing for mock exams is essential. Exercise enhances concentration and reduces stress. Additionally, simple stretching techniques can be done at home to keep our bodies and minds healthy. Refer to the stretching techniques mentioned in this post to prepare for mock exams while maintaining a healthy body and mind.